Hey guys, welcome back. So today we are going to be doing a massive upgrade in our 2015 Ram. So what we're doing is we're gonna actually be like upgrading and replacing the rear coils on these trucks. Instead of having the leaf springs, we have the coils. So this truck has around 130,000 miles, and it's actually the old coils are pretty bad. So we're gonna be replacing them from a brand called TowGuard, sorry. And they've actually sent out these coils to me. These are actually 50% better, basically more stronger. So the coils itself are more thicker. What that means is once you're towing with this, we wouldn't have as much as rear towing sag that we usually get with our stock coils. So what is gonna be happening is we are gonna be getting basically increased towing capacity kind of. So with both of these coils installed, we'll basically have around 1,700 pounds of extra weight that it could handle compared to stock. So right now, this is how the stock is. You can see that travel. And the other thing was we already replaced the shock. So it's like a little improved, but before it was quite bad. And now here is how much it goes down once we put 160 pounds in the back of the bed. So maybe you can't tell that much on the camera, but this will make a really big improvement once you start towing with this. So to get started, I've already removed this rear cover in the back here. We're gonna remove the rear cover, put the jack on. So there you go. Now we're actually jacking this up right now. And then you do need those inner bolts, which are size 21 millimeters. And then also like these, if you guys do have an old truck, which is rusted out like this, I would recommend put a little bit of WD-40 on those bolts, or maybe if you don't have that, just go with old engine oil. It should help quite a bit. And then also the other big important thing is, do set your parking brakes on before you even lift up your truck, okay? So just to let you guys know, don't forget your parking brakes. And then also don't forget your jack stand. Like always, never put your trust in these jacks. Okay, so we just like removed our old shock, and now all you do is gonna keep on lifting, and here we go. Our old coil just comes right off. There you go, you can see in there. Okay, so as you can see right now, how to tell if you like have a bad coil is once I'm squeezing it, you can actually see it going in. And if you put more pressure, there you go, it's actually going in. And once we compare this to the new coil, it wouldn't be doing this. So now here we're gonna get our new one in. And on the top, we're gonna use the rubber pad that comes with it. And then at the bottom, you're gonna have that place where it's actually designed to go in right over here. You can see that in there. Make sure it's all fit in here, and the same thing goes on the top. And then also the other thing is, since these are heavy duty coils, you will see around an inch of difference that they are smaller, but they are actually meant to be smaller, so basically it will still retain factory height, because if they just made them at the same height and they were 50% more like able to withhold the weight, that would actually make the truck way higher in the back and even more squat in the front. So that way, once we put weight on these, they don't like go down as much as the old ones did. So don't be scared, they will be like this. And now what we're gonna do is, as I said, we're gonna also be replacing the shock in the back here. So we're gonna put in the new shock, and we're basically good to go. This is like a really easy repair. You don't have to be a professional to do this. But if we still want it to be done, we do work locally in the DFW area. So I'll like leave my phone number down below on the screen, 469-714-7669. We do have 35 years of mechanical experience working on vehicles. So feel free to message me out. So there you go, we're all done with the installation with our new coil in there, our new strut. And I'm just gonna shake it for you and just see what difference we have. Of course, the main difference is going to be once you're towing and you actually have a vehicle behind in the trailer. That's when you actually know the difference. So once again, this is me shaking it. And this is me. I'm gonna sit on it once again, 160 pounds. And I'm gonna just maybe see the video later and see how much it's actually going down, like compressing with my weight. But that's how it is. Now we're gonna do the next side and we're all done with the installation. I will probably be coming out with a different video as well. In that video, I'm gonna actually put some weight behind it and let you know how it's going. And maybe in the next a few minutes, we're gonna also be doing a lift kit on this truck in the front and in the back. And that is also by TowGuard, so they also sent that out to me. So we're gonna also do that. Also do the front shocks on this. The front struts, and then we'll see how it is. So if you guys, did enjoy this video, please do like, subscribe, and share. And like always, as I did mention before, we work locally in the DFW area. So if you have any type of vehicle, any type of work needed, just give me a call or just text me and I'll be happy to help you out. And special thanks to for TowGuard for sponsoring this video.